You know, it helps if you put it in the right hole. Shit, yeah, I can't see shit. Now quit beating on my door. When I say this happens all the time, that's what I mean. Quack, quack, and we're back. Chances are, if you own a 2425 Mazda CX-50, I believe, you ran into this issue where your driver's seat does that. You still have that, and your lumbar still works just fine. Well, let me show you. Get those out the way. Now, if I stick my head in here, you're not going to see anything. So, we'll replace those clips anyway. But the problem is, inside your switch is broken to dead. So, you see how we have that? It's an actual white tab when there's supposed to be one here. But what happens is they break inside. I'll find you one that I have laying around and you know, put it in there. So let's get the switchy out. So what I do is I move the seat all the way back, lumbar wise, and I'm going to unhinge this best that I can. Shove my fat hand up in here. I'm going to plug this, get your wires unrouted. There we go. They're forgiving. And we're going to replace these. Don't worry about that. Right? So here's the sketchy part. There you go, sketchy. Here. Thank you. Get these screws out of here. Don't like stab your customer car or yourself. That works. Right. So there is your switch. And when I say this happens all the time, that's what I mean. Let's find one that's open. So in the past, we've taken these out and swapped them over with a broken one to make a good one because they switch over. But we don't have any ones left. Okay, what happens is, yeah, I already robbed them all out. What happens is that the little fingers that sit in here in the contacts, they break off, and usually it's only on the driver's side. So in a pinch, you can take an extra one from here and then put it in there. But we actually have a brand new one. Who the hell is beating on my door? No, quit beating on my door. So there's the one we pulled out. Here's our new replacement one. And boom. Clicky, clicky. Good. Let's install the new one. So let's get our tabs out. Now you can actually try to get these out without breaking them. We're going from the back side and trying to shove your head under the seat, but we're just going to replace them. And they probably should include that with the damn seat switch because it breaks so often, as you could tell from the box of scavenged parts. Good old Timu special here. We'll just look and see. Nah. Well, red ones will work. Ook. So while we're here, we'll slide these in now and there. Take our switch and line her up. screws and start them by hand. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna come back to it. Yeah, I ain't worried about it. If I wanted to, I'd just move the seat, plug it in and move it, and then redo it, but okay. Bueno. Alright. Take our spots. Kind of helps to do this a little bit right now. I'm trying not to jam the wires. I just want to get the wire into the loom. Same thing with this one. Without breaking it. No, that's fine. Alright. So we got our hookies there. We're gonna get over our hooks. Find these are holes. I can't see because my hands. Line this up with that and that. Ta-da! All right. Let's see. I think we can go like that. Boom, boom. And then boom, boom. Simple as that. Yeah. They break all the time, guys. So if you own a Mazda, get ready. The quality is definitely there. So till next time, Duck out. Nice not. 3 days later. Yep.